مدارس الطالب الذكي. القرآن حياتنا نحو جيل إسلامي أمثل.
In the name of Allah, dear students of the Smart Student School, welcome again in our English online course. English World Class 6. Our lesson today is grammar. Unit 8, Lesson 3, Pupils Book, page 87. In this lesson, we are going to study new tense. Yes, let's read present, perfect, continuous tense. At the first, you are going to study the meaning, form, and study some examples of this tense. Meaning. This tense shows an action started in the past and has continued up to the present. Look at the timeline. This action started in the past, yes, and has continued up to the present. Form. You know that the sentence forms subject, verb, and object. Yes, here, what's the shape of the verb in the present perfect continuous tense? Subject. The verb has or have been, verb with ing, and object. So the verb has or have be plus been plus verb with ing. Remember, have comes with I, you, we, and they. Has comes with he, she, and it. Examples. Look at this picture. It began raining 2 hours ago and it is still raining. So, the sentence, it has been raining for 2 hours. This is the subject, it has been raining, the verb in present perfect continuous, for 2 hours. Look at that boy. He began playing basketball 20 minutes ago and he's still playing. So, he has been playing basketball for 20 minutes. They started painting from the morning and they are still painting. The sentence, they have been painting since the morning. Very good. Let's practice. What has he been doing? Excellent. Shopping. Can you put the sentence in present perfect continuous? Yes, great. He has been shopping for 2 hours. He started shopping 2 hours ago. What have they been doing? Very good, watching TV. They have been watching TV since this afternoon. What have you been doing? Yes, learning. We have been learning English for 6 years. Open your pupils book, page 87. Activity 1. Look at this picture. What can you see? Very good. Camel train. Now, listen to the sentences. We started to travel 5 months ago, and we are still traveling now. So, we have been traveling for 5 months. Hassan started to sell jewelry last year. He's still selling jewelry now. So, Hassan has been selling jewelry since last year. Activity 2. Look, read and match. Write the letters. Here we have 6 pictures and we want to match these pictures with these sentences. Do you remember the tale of the wise chief? Yes, let's start with the first one. Hassan has been looking for his money bag for an hour. Which picture? Great, D. The men have been eating for half an hour. Well done, C. The travelers have been sleeping for 8 hours. Excellent, A. The chief has been talking to the tribe for 10 minutes. Great job, E. The men have been watching the travelers for 2 hours. Excellent, F. And the men have been cooking for an hour. Very good, B. All of you open your workbook, page 74. Activity 1. Complete the sentences with the verbs in the box. Use the present perfect continuous. Here we have 6 sentences and 6 verbs. We want to complete these sentences using these verbs in the box. But pay attention, put the verb in the present perfect continuous tense. Let's remember the rule: have or has, been, and the verb with ing. Look, number 1. Mr. Jones said, I, space, in this town for many years. Which is the correct verb? Teach, travel, play, wait, live or learn? Great! Live. Yes, now put live in present perfect continuous form. Look at the subject. Here the subject in the sentence, I. So, remember, I comes with have or has. Very good. Have. I, yes, have been living. Well done. Very good. Pay attention. Live here, the verb live ends with letter E. So when we are going to add ing, we omit the letter E and put ing. Look, I have been living in this town for many years. Number 2. Professor James, space, at the university since 2005. Which verb? Teach, travel, play, wait or learn? Great! Teach. Now, both teach in the present perfect. Look at continuous. Look at the subject. Professor James. Take have or has. Great. Has. Yes. Been. Very good. And teaching. Excellent. Professor James has been teaching at the university since 2005. Number 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your homework for this lesson. Try to do this and send to your teacher to check. Grade 6. Thank you for listening, and I hope all of you understand this lesson. Thank you and goodbye.